Hey everyone, welcome here. Here today I'm going to explain you something, a new concept of how to start learning Java. As you know that which is a most precious and a trending programming language in earlier days and today also, which is going most popular. In terms of learning Java, you will have a great wonderful career building and opportunities in your future career. So anyone who are interested how to start learning Java in a great way of learning, how to strong in fundamentals. So ensure to learning Java fundamentals are very super easy when you are making a strong local development environment, which you are maybe interested in Windows platform or Linux platform or Mac. Choose your favorite and passion operating system and start learning by doing. All you need to learn, not only the theory, apply a practical way of experience, how you will get a great practical by writing of scenarios, a step-by-step process. First you need to learn how to get Java, which is a free and open source programming language, which is a high level. Yes, and a great point, as you know that, which is a cross-platform purely supports Java. Wherever you run the program which is developed by Java application like a coding, it's purely supports like a Windows, Linux or any other device. Yes, perfectly it will runs. And such a way it is having a great opportunities that you know. And how beginners and who are starting learning fundamentals in Java, you need to make a local development environment, get a Java and install, and ensure a great IDE, integrated development environment, and here focusing of Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ IDE, wherever you are comfortable. If you are comfortable, well and good, or else choose where you will feel focusing and quickly you will learn Java easily by using these IDEs as a professional. When you are starting and beginning Java, you need to take steps in real world concepts and learn like a pro. It's like a professionals, right? Which is comfortable to learn and applying your skills to making a real world application development using Java. Once you are completed successfully in local development environment, all you need to start learning by creating a first program, which is environment is perfectly working or not, you need to cross check it. Once it is done, you need to take a next step is variable creations. What are variables, how to create, and how you need to choose applying of rules to applying enterprise app development. Which eliminates you quickly, you will involve in application development. The same way, the next step you need to take data types. What are data types? How you can build to create a data types. These are very essential to apply, segregating the data and applying. The next, immediately all you need to choose operators. Beautifully the operators like comparative operators, comparison operators, and assignment operators, increment, decrement operators. These all are one by one. You need to learn what are the operators, how to apply while writing the Java, what functionality you will get by writing a real world concept. So many examples by understanding, you will get a strong a foundation. Once these things are completed, you need to take a next step to if-else conditional statements, which is also called as decision-making system. Implementing decision-making system which will help you real-world app development, how the question-making system when you want to build. Yes, truly it will help you. Once you are perfect by making if-else, elif statements, you need to immediately switch over there to how you are going to be repeatedly run a single statement in multiple times, which is controlled by you. Yes, controlled by developer or programmer, which is called control flow statements. Also, you can hear about it, loop statements. These are for loop, while loop, do while, for each, control flow statements, making and ensuring how you are going to be dealing a group of data. Yes, really help you more and more. Start learning today and make a strong foundation in Java app development. Yes, definitely your career would be the next level. If you feel this video is something you learned about a few points about to Java fundamentals, please do subscribe and support. If you are interested for real world course and trained real world examples course, find the below link. Thank you.